Sabarmati Express derailed near the holding line ahead of Govindpuri station in Kanpur. According to information received from Indian Railways, train number 19168, Sabarmati Express was going from Varanasi to Ahmedabad. Meanwhile, there was a derailment in a block section between Kanpur and Bhimsen stations. There was no casualty of any kind in the accident. After receiving the information, senior officials of Railway, Police and Fire Department reached the spot. Relief and rescue operations are underway and passengers were taken to the central station by buses and three-phase MEMUs. According to the driver, prima facie the boulder hit the engine, due to which the cattle guard of the engine was badly damaged, bent. The speed of the train was about 90 km per hour. Stop the train by applying emergency brakes. A 3 feet long railway track has been found at the accident site, which is old. All the officers who reached the spot are investigating. Art has come from Kanpur Loco Shed to build the track. More than half a dozen JCBs are also busy repairing the track. Besides, Art has also been called from Jhansi and Prayagraj divisions. The track is expected to be repaired by Sunday evening. Railway Minister Ashwani Vaishnav said the engine of the train collided with some heavy object kept on the track. There are collision marks on the engine. The evidence has been kept safe. IB and UP police are investigating. Northern Central Railway GM Upendra Chandra Joshi said it is certain that the accident happened due to the engine colliding with something. Nothing was found at the spot. ADM Rakesh Verma said that 22 coaches of Sabarmati Express derailed in a block section between Kanpur and Bhimsen station, but no one was injured. All the passengers are being sent back to the station by bus. Kanpur Police Commissioner Akhil Kumar also reached the spot. He interrogated the people nearby. Also saw the piece of track. At the same time, in view of the terrorist conspiracy, a team is also going to arrive from Lucknow for investigation. ATS officials are also investigating from the angle of causing disturbance and harm. Railway officials said, Patna-Indore Express had passed through the track 1 hour 20 minutes before the accident. Till then the track was safe. 16 trains going from Kanpur to Bundelkhand and Madhya Pradesh have been cancelled. The routes of 10 trains have been changed. Will clear the track within 24 hours. Let us tell you that due to many railway accidents recently, security agencies are busy investigating the incident from every angle.